What is Truffle Shuffle? Well, Truffle Shuffle is a business that we started first, just hustling fresh truffles. Check these out. Look at these truffles, stunning. The pandemic hit and we had that many truffles on hand. What did we do? We started doing virtual cooking classes. But check this out. So as a chef turned entrepreneur, I'm so proud to say that we've been able to cook with over 250,000 people. That's 250,000 people that we've been able to bring together through food and delicious cocktails. Oh, Paloma. Delicious. We've even been featured in O magazine. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, girls just want to have fungus. That's correct. You might have seen this on Shark Tank.
Jason and Tyler have an offer on the table from Robert for their truffle-based cooking and product company, Truffle Shuffle. But
That was
Tyler may also be interested.
Don't worry, we got to deal with Mark Cuban. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Oprah. And with Truffle Shuffle, you get your own personal cheering section, okay? Let's go meet them. 1, 2, 3. And now, we're going on a US tour. That's right, on a tour bus. Check this out. Hit that subscribe, follow along. We're going across the country, cooking from different homes, cooking at different restaurants, doing different pop-ups.